My name is Aiko Tanaka. I'm teaching cooking, Japanese and international, at home cooking.
I'm her assistant at AIKO-STYLE Culinary School. My name is Arama, and I'm from the United States.
Yes, and she's also doing, you enjoy Japanese cooking at home, and she creates new recipes. And okonomiyaki is very popular in Osaka. Not only but Osaka, but also in the world. Many okonomiyaki lovers spread out. I hope today's recipes everybody can enjoy. I'm doing very traditional Osaka okonomiyaki. Lot of using negi, it's a green onion, negiyaki.
I'm making my family's original version of okonomiyaki, which is a bit simpler than Aiko's version.
I'm using cabbage, a lot of cabbage. This is a half size of cabbage, very slicey chopped. And the green onion.
A lot of green onion.
Yeah, a lot of it. I love it. Chikuwa, fish cake.
Fish cake.
Yeah,
okay.
gently chop it.
Chop it up.
If you have this tenkasu is a...
The leftovers from when you make tempura, deep fried batter,
Yeah,
basically, right?
Yeah. This is a shrimp and squid. Japanese Osaka people love this kind of ginger. How to say pickles?
Pickles, yeah.
Pickles.
Ginger.
Pickles ginger with colored by the umeboshi's liquid.
What's this slime?
Yeah, this is a slime. This is a yamaimo. Is like this one, and we peel off and grate it. And this is makes it more soft and sticky texture to the okonomiyaki. And we use pork and eggs and flour. And the sauce is a Worcestershire sauce and ketchup and mustard. We mix it together. That is my ingredient.
And you have some flour.
And then of course some flowers. Yes.
Alright. I also have flour as my base.
Yeah.
I have a lot more flour than Aiko does.
Mm.
Yeah, it's a very different kind of version. I have also a lot more cabbage. 2 eggs in mine, a little squid chopped up. I also have the tenkasu.
Tenkasu is good. How to say? It's a little bit
There's some salt
oily.
and
And it's a good
extra flavor.
texture. Yeah, it's good flavor.
And you can just buy it like this. It comes in a bag. You don't have to make it by yourself. And these are the little special things. I like to add some cheese. In my opinion, mochi.
Mochi, yeah.
Which are dried, they're rice cakes. It's very hard, so I will be microwaving these a bit to soften them up. This is sakura, little dried shrimp, and I have some baking powder.
That is great.
To make mine fluffy, like a pancake.
More,
Instead of Aiko's. And this is dashi powder. Give it a little umami flavor.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Very
this
nice.
is sliced pork.
And then you added the water.
And water, yes, water. Happy face there.
Yeah.
Happy face. Smile. Come on.
Cover it up.
You can do. Osaka people love okonomiyaki so much. I miss sometimes once in a month. I love to eat with saucy, delicious fast food.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Yeah, good.
that's good.
Beautiful, beautiful pasta.
So you can just make this with the ingredients you have in your country.
Yeah.
If you can't find tenkasu or dashi,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
All you need is cabbage and flour.
Cabbage flour,
Yeah.
or sometimes your cheese, you know.
Yeah.
It depends on every country has their own cheese. And well, I think it's a good idea about the baking powder, cheese and mustard, anchovy.
Italian version.
With okonomiyaki.
What does the word okonomiyaki mean again?
Yeah, okonomiyaki. Okonomi is as your choice or as you
like,
as you like.
Okay.
Okay.
So whatever you like to put in.
Yeah. So that is
Throw it in.
starting with bent.
Oh. Street vendor.
Yeah,
Street vendors.
street vendor, yeah.
Dried bonito flakes.
Yeah, that is like a dancing.
It's alive.
Yeah.
Let's throw
It's good. It's good.
Good. 美味しくできました。いただきます。
いただきます。Mochi is very sticky and beautiful. Very nice. Please try it.
Delicious.
Delicious.
It's
Yep.
easy. It's quick. It's fun.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time.